guys, it's Wilbur, and today I'm going to be showing you my monster trucks. And I've got probably over 12 monster trucks here, and I'm going to show you all of them and what they could do and stuff like that. So all of my monster trucks, they're all real life, all of them are real life isms. All of these monster trucks, they're not fake. They're actually real life, so you can actually drive them around in real life, but I've got figures of them. And I'm going to be showing you all of them and naming them to you. So this is the crocodile, and you can see he's got bigger wheels than all of the others, as well as he can go like that. He's got way bigger wheels. And this is the Black Eagle, and yeah, this is the Black Eagle, and he not everyone has white tyres like him inside like that, so there's something different about him. And here's Donkey Kong, and he's got yellow tyres in there, and you can see like it kind of actually looks like Donkey Kong, but it's got wheels, and yeah, so it's kind of like Donkey Kong. And there's special things that you can do with monster trucks. You can go like that to full flip them, and you can go like that to full flip them too. And yeah, that's one of the parts in monster trucks. This is Batman. He's Wolf the Speller, and he's very cool. Not all of them have like sticky out bits, and yeah, his tires just fell off. So, and here is the rabbits, and it looks really cool, and it's called Wild Hair. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to end it here, is because my dinner was nearly finished, and yeah.
We'll do a part 2.
Yeah, and we're going to do a part 2, so yeah, see ya.